Hey guys, Vin here. I broke my remote on the key, so I want to show you how to reprogram this. It's really simple, just a few easy steps. You don't have to bring it to a dealer and it'll save you a lot of money. You get one of these key fobs online, Amazon, for under 10 bucks. First of all, I want to show you that this key doesn't work. See? Nothing happens. Okay? Anyway, first step, lock your door. Next, you take your key and you insert it into the car 6 times. So you don't want to turn it. So once you enter it 6 times, it'll blink twice. And the next step is we want to insert it one more time and then turn it to ACC. So with ACC, you want to do is you want to push this button here. Okay, now it's programmed. Once it's programmed, it's not complete. You want to turn off the lock here and then go over here and then lock your door. Okay, once it's done, test your lock. That's it. See? I hope this helps. I hope this is helpful, and I'll see you next time. Bye.